Part 5. Adding lamp posts with Siclone. Continuing from Part 4, under the Distribute Object rollup, click Select Object, then select the lamp post object. Change the spacing and then adjust the start offset so it doesn't clash with the trees. Adjust the position and mirror to the other side. Next, the lamp posts need to light the street, so go ahead and add a V-ray light as a distributed object. You will see the icon change to a Siclone light icon. Move the position to align with the lamp post. Use the copy and paste tools and then adjust the height offset. Do a test render to check the lighting. Cycle through your cameras using the SiNi Camera Max script to check the whole street. Lastly, I realized I forgot to mirror the light. So back in Siclone, select the light object and mirror to the opposite side. Please continue to Part 6, in which we'll continue to work with Siclone by applying road markings.